Welcome to Unlock English. If you want to speak English confidently but feel shy or confused, this channel is for you. In today's video, I will share the best 5 ways to learn English easily and effectively. Watch till the end and start improving your English from today. Number 1. Listen to English every day. Watch English movies, YouTube videos, or news. Start with subtitles, then slowly remove them. Listen to English songs and podcasts. Number 2. Speak English daily, no fear. Talk to yourself in English. Practice with friends or online partners. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes equal to learning. Number 3. Read simple English. Read short stories, news, or blogs. Start with children's books or easy articles. Read aloud to improve pronunciation. Number 4. Learn 5 to 10 new words daily. Write new words with meaning and examples. Use the words in your own sentences. Revise old words regularly. And the last number, 5. Think in English. Stop translating from your mother tongue. Describe what you see or do in English example. I am drinking tea.